Updating your email address on Telegram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open Telegram app. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. This section contains options related to your account's privacy and security settings. Step 4. Update email address. Look for the option to update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and confirm any prompts that appear to verify the change. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the update, so check your inbox and follow any instructions provided. By following these steps, you can easily update your email address on Telegram. Keeping your contact information up to date helps maintain account security and ensures you receive important notifications.